To download Venmo, start by opening the App Store on your mobile device. Whether it is the Apple App Store for iPhone users or the Google Play Store for Android users. Once the store is open, use the search bar at the top of the screen to type in Venmo and select the Venmo app from the search results. Next, click the Get or Install button to begin the download process. You may be prompted to enter your password or use fingerprint or facial recognition to authenticate the download. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. This should only take a few seconds. After the download is complete, click the Open button to launch the Venmo app. You will be asked to sign up or log in to an existing account. If you are new to Venmo, select the Sign Up option and follow the prompts to create an account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to link a funding source to your Venmo account, such as a bank account, credit card, or debit card. This will allow you to send and receive money using the app. Follow the prompts to link your funding source and verify your account. Once your account is set up, you can start using Venmo to send and receive money, split bills with friends, and make purchases at participating merchants. Remember to always use strong passwords and keep your account information up to date to ensure the security of your Venmo account. By following these steps, you can easily download and start using the Venmo app on your mobile device. With its user-friendly interface and wide range of features, Venmo is a convenient and secure way to manage your money and make transactions on the go.